How to make natural rooting hormone easily at home. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a good natural rooting hormone for any plants at your home. So first of all you have to take a mature leaf of aloe vera plant and then you have to open the leaf and take out the aloe vera gel from the leaf. Guys, please watch this video until the end because I am going to show you all the update at the end of the video. So kindly watch the video until the end. Okay. Now I have opened our aloe vera aloe vera leaf, and now I am going to separate the gel into a container. Okay, this much aloe vera gel should be enough. In the very next step, I am going to take a pinch of soil. I am going to use the soil which is in my garden. You have to take a pinch of soil and then you have to add it into the aloe vera gel which you have collected earlier. Okay. Now mix these two ingredients very well until you get a very fine mixture. Okay, now our magical rooting hormone mix is almost ready. Now I will show you how to use this and I will show you the results as well. I am going to take a leaf cutting of a snake plant here, and what I am going to do is I am going to dip the bottom of the cutting in this special mix for about 1 hour. You have to keep any cutting in this mixture for about 1 hour before you are planting. Okay, now we will wait for 1 hour. After 1 hour you can take this cutting and I am going to plant this cutting. I am using moisted coco peat here, so I am going to plant this cutting in the moist coco peat. You can root any type of cutting using this magical rooting mix. Now it's the time to show you all the updates. Just wait. I will show you the results after 5 days and after 10 days. First I will show you the cutting which I have got after 5 days. You can see that after 5 days new rootings have emerged from the leaf cutting. And after 10 days you can see more rootings have emerged from the leaf cuttings. I will show you now. Now you can see that how powerful this rooting mixture is. So believe me friends, this rooting mixture is very good for any type of plant cuttings. So please try this rooting hormone mixture at your home. And if you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in our comment section. Once again, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button to see more videos just as like this. Once again, thanks for watching and have a very wonderful day ahead.